Andrew, I've been getting so many questions in regards to, having basement suites specifically. What's legal? What's illegal? What's the difference? How does it help? Tons of questions. Specifically, some things that I can touch on is a lot of banks, what they'll look for is to make sure that the suite is legal so we can reference that income for you. Because if it is illegal, sometimes we can't reference that income for a couple of factors. One is sometimes it's not able to be insured if you have a renter down there if it's an illegal suite. B is not having the proper permits in place and so forth. The city actually has the right to place fines, possibly have you tear it out, and there's other implications that can happen. So that's why the bank sometimes doesn't always like having illegal suites to reference in regards to rental income. So having legal suites is beneficial if you are looking for that income to help qualifying. So maybe you can go into a little bit more detail of what makes a suite legal.
Yeah, so when we apply for the permit, there's a ton of things that you have to make sure that you're checking off. A few of the big ones would be you need a separate entrance getting into that suite. One is like some fire separation in between the existing residents and the suite that we're building. You need egress windows for a proper way to get out of the room if there was an emergency. Smoke and carbon monoxide detectors in and outside every room in the house. There's a lot of things that make it a legal suite, and by not having one of those items, you've made it illegal. Which, well, then you'll have all those issues that you said, possibly on the finance side.
Yeah, no, it makes sense. And, having peace of mind and just knowing everything's up to code is, a win in itself.